Hello dear animal lovers. In this video, we will talk about the characteristics of the Jaguarundi cat. The Jaguarundi cat is native to Central and South America. It is found in a wide geography from Mexico to Argentina. It especially prefers to live in dense forests, thickets, and riversides. Evolutionary history. The Jaguarundi is closely related to the puma mountain lion. According to genetic analysis, it is one of the cat species in South America with the closest ties to the puma. In total, it has an average length of 53 to 77 centimeters and a tail length of 31 to 60 centimeters. Its weight varies between 3.5 to 9 kilograms. In the wild, 10 to 15 years and up to 20 years in the wild. The Jaguarundi is one of the most interesting cats in nature because it can imitate bird sounds. The high-pitched and melodic sounds it makes allow it to trick the birds around it into trapping them. This ability is an excellent tactic for attracting birds, especially when hunting in trees. Doesn't it have a very interesting appearance? It's not a puma, it resembles an otter. It's a very different breed of cat. Thank you. If you have watched the video so far because you are a true animal lover, take care of yourself and stay safe.